So in this video, we're going to have a look at page 124, question 4, the seesaw question. So I'm going to start by drawing the yellow base of the seesaw. So it's 40, 40. Drawing your circle and you can get your tangents there. And then we're going to have another tangent here then to get the actual top of the seesaw. Okay? So, first thing, as I said, I'm going to draw in my circle there. And I'm going to find my 2 points out here. So the bottom corner here, the bottom corner here, and I'm going to get that tangent. So I'm going to get the yellow base drawn first, so basically, okay? So it's a radius 22. Radius 22. Radius 22. I'm just going to draw in my center lines in the circle. And it is down 40 millimeters from the center here. Line straight across, and it goes 40 each side. There and there. So that's my 2 points on the tangent. So if we think back to what we've done before, okay, it's in the pages previous as well. So when we have points and we have the circle, we need a tangent. You're going to join from one point into the center of your circle. Okay? Then you're going to bisect that line. So we're bisecting that line. We are now drawing a semicircle inside that line, and where that semicircle crosses our original circle, that's the point of contact there. So we can join this down to here. To save my constructions in, right? It's a mirror image. It's the exact same on this side. I can just bring my point of contact straight across to where it hits my circle. There, point of contact. And I can join that down. Rather than doing this construction again. It takes a little bit more time and stuff if I have to do that construction again. I want to try to make this as efficient as possible. Okay, so that's the base of my seesaw drawing. Right? Now, the next thing is, this line here is a tangent to the circle as well. Right? So, we can find this point down here. Right? So I'm going to measure 75 across. See, look, our blue construction line, so it's straight across on the bottom, 75, and I can join it back up into the center. So, straight across the bottom, it is 75 from this corner. And it goes back right into the center of the circle, okay? So what I have there now basically is this point down here, right? And this point is on the tangent line to that circle. So, I'm going to join from the point to the corner, to the center of the circle, right? So I join from the point to the center of the circle. I'm going to bisect that line. Okay, so we bisect that full line. So that's our full line bisected. Now we're going to draw in our semicircle. So we draw in our semicircle. And where the semicircle crosses that circle, there, point of contact. So we can join from the point in there and extend it on. Now in the book, look, these symbols show us that that's in halfway, so they're the same distance. So I can get with my compass, put one point on the very start here, extend it on to that point of contact, and then just keep the same distance here over the other side. So that's like the bottom of that seesaw. This gets joined back into the center again. This is just following what's in the book. Join back into the center. The seat then gets a height of 5 millimeters, right? So it's going to be perpendicular. So we line up parallel here, and then we use the other side of our set square. So up here. here. It's 5 millimeters. There. We're then going to be going parallel with that base seat again. And now all we've left to do now is our little triangles. Okay, so I'm going to measure 25 across here. It's 20 wide. So it's 20 wide, so that's the width of the triangle. The height of the triangle is 25, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set 25 on my compass. I'm going to put the point of the compass there and swing it. Point of the compass on the other side, still keeping 25. Where they make a little X, I can join them down for the triangles, okay? The exact same thing over on this side. So it's 25 millimeters back here from the edge of the seesaw. It's 20 millimeters wide. It's 25 millimeters high, which I've set on my compass. Do a little arc on this side, a little arc on that side. And we can join these back. Okay. The little circles there, then it says in the book, you can freehand them in. You can freehand them in then after that. Okay. So that's page 124. Question 4.